Box number 7.
I see. How can I all and very busy more? Okay, no, I blah blah Pirates. So, I wanna coach Arun, Maya, ayodala le Korea. If you can Korea, varne on a today. Today, Rivata today. Right now. So, Kahopela coach you. Hopala Otalaga scheme says, Settling game, Raukopa. Arbatin to say by I favorite Pirates, Mara, or one of Fanavala Mufuking. Mufuking, Nilu was available. Lintonella, Kulumpo, Kumana says, Braga Debak and Tozil. Debak, Adebaka, Adebaka. So, Coach Ucho, and now select a woman, warrior. And more we coach we know also want to qualify. Roa Tanzamboga as a fella airport. Roa Tanzamboga fella airport. Baba fella. Na ovelo valbo no toka Belgium or toka. Ovelo valbo na Belgium baba. And obonor no tsaka makosi no. Pela but wa chiefs umbana wana ba minyo for rayo ka bakabuya. Makosi. Bo China brava won tongwe say ga na fela no bare ababuy barrobuy yabona so braka coach artolele ayram controller amake ntshwere batla scheme says dlaleng last 20 minutes re gopela sona why understand re gopela sona braka and if lu ahlolega bo Danny Jordan re gopela re lateleng class la 1996 ya bamkobe ba latela class la 1996
one of them a coach.
Yeah, a coach da. But Andrew Arens be goalkeeper coach. So Boshon Bartlett assistant coach.
Opening qualified coaches. But it's a plan.
Yeah,
Mara 7. How work South African coaches?
Yeah.
Ungoputa this other thing. Wapula Rinkile AFCON 1996.
Yeah.
1998 Raya Kaka Jomo Son agere Burkina Faso. Rafitla finaling agere. Finaling Jomo Son aitsang. A register finaling.
Final.
A register finaling a change scheme kaofela a etsa ntwe e etswang ke coach ona a kenya scheme a faki scheme singasazi. Yabo.
Mara right on casa o fitlile final ne. So Kaskim Selube is slash abu by mo final.
No, hapa iza ute baitse habam interview or wa wetsa so ariena na batla prove a point ya hore na ka fitla o final safa bo Johnny Jordan ne ba samtshepo re o tla fitla finaling are na batla prove a point ya ka fitla finaling a dlala ka rona no tshwanetse ba fana right now in a lead AFCON 2.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so now wena or re khutlise a South African coach I coach ba fana but ke South African coach ila dlala ka rona as much as foreign coach ba dlala ka rona. So watch your space there or are we taking a local or for foreign?
Naxa local. Why what's all local?
Yes.
Okay, Jomo Uri abata prove bo Danny Jordan ne.
Yes.
Why abata prove bo Danny Jordan? Cause ba bua too much. Ba ko politically ya bona ba ikenya go bolong. You understand?
But then u prove jwang motho while u bulaya country.
So I can like counter. I can tell na go utlola jealous. Ke tlo make sure ka sabotage kai brag. So ntwe ke ne bona o bona Danny Jordan ntwe nka botsa yona brag. Nna e kere o khathetse madala. A dule fast. Nka batho ba tshwana le bo ruba bra. Ba beta ga safa. You understand? Okay, ke skotane Dr. Khumalo ba mke ba una le maema haya like bo khade you know khade nka aka ba president ya ntwe ya safa. You understand? Utkoro ke trawo botsa like re batla batho ba lo batse ba ball then Jordan o tladile kae
football people must run for
okay Jomo Sono o tladile ball mara why a register finaling
cause ma batla o prove Danny Jordan wrong
why o bula country okay share ke coach Pirates Pirates e fitla finaling ya Star ne kere no obani ke example obani Dr. Khoza o itse vele wena a no fitla finaling so a ke fitla finaling ke rai Pirates ha e joue finaling ke le problem mang nna
what's all right
kapa
why
why
Jomo usho una le player tse ba mo selectileng tsona o ile a ba dlarisetsa a selector player tse lube di selectile ke bona and sa jiwa squad kana go ke a tseba mo bolo ne una le politiki brayaka that's why ke re o bona no madala o spano zweli ne mara on belle abagae class la 1996 chance but then Jordan babla ke khonso mona tsamaya ka rutlawa understand abagae ru be president bray ya SAF so then bo Batlete le bo Andrew Arens wa bona class la brayaka o ba bone ko studio re balla jwa batho bala e ba e fila di denke
I understand mara re ska lebala hape ho ya ka qualification yes o ka ba player ya top mang from 1996 but did you unkile qualification ya re on get that position
zweli una le nthongwe brayaka e tshwana le bolo ne antwela a o ile sekolong ke talente okay Rulani Mokwena o dlalile bolo
Rulani Mokwena ha dlala bolo mara o ile sekolong for coaching
no mara aka coacha mtholuwe hadla o dlalile bolo yena a dlala bolo
remember or for coaching you need a certificate
Yeah. But
yes udletse but you need a certificate
rena le bona vele those.
that's why in Europe most of the time motho o re adlala ha bona o re sa tlo retire aba kena sekolong
No.
zweli
Are equally.
okay ke khalla zweli
Are equally.
no we kola ele brag no okay are equal mabas ka re kola yona ka marapelo mo atla kola ka marapelo ka mthandazi happy oh ke birthday okay el birthday okay unangani
Unangani?
Ulahlekile musa.